So I came across this Logitech G413 SE keyboard, not as a gamer, but as someone who types extensively. Curiosity led me to the world of mechanical keyboards and I decided to give this one a shot. Here's why. First, I read about the enhanced typing experience, and it's really true. Typing on this keyboard has been a revelation. It's like dancing on the keys. The satisfying click and the stability of the board have improved my typing accuracy. Second, it's got a super cool, elegant illumination. Its keys are illuminated beautifully and it elevates the aesthetics of typing. It's not just functional, it's visual as well, a visual delight. Third, it's built to last. This keyboard feels substantial with a heavy and stable build. The improved key action and durability of the keycaps make it worthwhile investment. It's not just a keyboard, it's a companion that makes me writing more enjoyable. If you're considering a switch to mechanical, this one's worth treating yourself to.